Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set last seen recently in Telegram. If you want to maintain your privacy while still letting people know you're active, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Here's how to set last seen recently on Telegram. Launch the Telegram app on your phone. Select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy and Security. This is where you can control your privacy settings. Under the Last Seen and Online section, tap on Last Seen. You'll see options like Everyone, My Contacts, and Nobody. To set Last Seen Recently, choose My Contacts or Nobody. Telegram will then show Last Seen Recently instead of the exact time. You can also hide your online status by going to Who Can See My Online Status and selecting My Contacts or Nobody. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully set Last Seen Recently on Telegram. This is a great way to maintain your privacy while still being active on the app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Got any other Telegram privacy tips you'd like to learn? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.